Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another awesome lesson. Today, my friends, we're going to make a sweet car using the Phun physics simulator. So my friends, let's get cracking. Step one, of course, is to double click MT Tools. And when it launches, I need you to double click on blank. Friends, let's begin by rolling the 1 meter Merc out just a little bit so that we're playing with a little bit larger project. Switch to your brush, and from the 0.5, I want you to turn on multi-draw, hold down shift, and draw a nice length of straight line that's going to be our car. We take from that and we move to the wheel option. We need to draw a wheel, or a circle that's going to be a wheel, that is larger, notice is more than twice as big as that stick we drew. Put the center of the pie on the stick, click Geometry Actions, and find the center hinge. Notice this color. If it was blue, it's attached to the sky. If it's attached to your stick you made, then it's correct. We need to take that shape. I'm going to grab the rectangle tool, and I'm going to switch to just the hinge. Do the hinge menu, and I'm going to make it a motor. Turn on auto brake. Click the none selected and press the right arrow key. Click the back, press the left arrow key. Click the brake key, and I'm going to use the 0 that's right by the right and left. I'm going to take the speed, and I'm going to push it to 30 or 35, somewhere in there. And I'm going to leave everything else alone. I'm going to grab that entire wheel, and I'm going to click clone it. I'm going to push that out in front, and I'm going to hit the centerpiece and choose a sweet option called follow with camera. I'm going to roll out a little bit, right click drag, and when I hit spacebar, it is that easy to have created a nifty little car. Well, we want to have fun with our car, so I'm going to zoom in, I'm going to select the motors, I'm going to choose the hinge menu, and let's double that speed till it's in the 60s. Now when I drive, those wheels move a lot faster, and you can see that it is a ton of fun to make a more awesome vehicle. Let's have some fun with the materials. What if we make our tires out of rubber? Do they give us more grip? What other things can you choose in here? I also want to make this more fun by giving it a ramp. I'm going to do that by hitting pause. I'm going to zoom out till I get to the 10 meter mark. And I'm going to draw a skinny rectangle. I'm going to right click and rotate that till it's at a little bit of a ramp, like 15, 16, 19 degrees. And then I'm going to pull it down to the blue, and I'm going to fixate it so that it can't move. When I hit play, you can see that that stays exactly there. And now I can drive my car a little bit left, get some speed, do a little bit of a wheelie as I come up and jump over my ramp. Now I should be making my car a lot faster, but I'm going to let you do that as you play with and make your car more awesome. I'm going to switch to the hand and move the sky so I can see both. So I want a ramp that goes the other way, so I'm just going to repeat those steps. First, I'm going to drive my car a little further left, out of the way. And then I'm going to draw a super skinny, spacebar to pause, rectangle again. I'm going to pull it down. Let's zoom in, right click, rotate to that 15 or 19 degrees. Switch to the move tool. Pull it down into the ground and find that amazing fixate tool so that it stays right where I want it. When I back up and hit play, I can now drive back. And I can see that I'm not going to be able to jump it, so I'm going to change my hinges real quick as I bump this up and find the correct numbers so that I can jump my ramp. Alright, rolled out. It is playing. Here comes my speed. Is it going to be enough? No, I have still not mastered it, but all I'm going to do is drive to the middle. And now I'm going to grab my vehicle and I'm going to lift it out. I'm going to grab my vehicle and I'm going to just lift it out so that I can try again. You can continue to play with this as you make it more and more awesome. Soup up your vehicle, find the incredible ways that you can build it. You can also click the sky and choose Import Wall Starter, because there's nothing more fun than having something to destroy. You'll notice my vehicle is bigger than the wall. I'm going to zoom out. Let's grab my little wall and carefully set it down. Now when I zoom in, I can use that clone tool and stack them up and make an awesome little place for my car to crash through and just have a ton of fun as I learn about making cars and using the cool commands in Phun. Alright friends, so I'm going to zoom in on my car because this follow me is so fun. We're going to hit play and let's go get that tower we just built as we rumble across, and boom, there is my car driving through the sweet brick wall. Friends, there are so many cool things you can do with this as you explore. Just remember, if you're in my classroom, you are trying to make one that can jump the ramp, and you're also building the awesome tower that you do destroy. And then when you're done, you need to turn in a screenshot of your sweet little vehicle. Friends, I hope you had a total blast with this. Don't forget your screenshot. If you did have a lot of fun, make sure you hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.